And we
Good
have to
morning
do
to all.
exercises of chapter 9. I'm third.
We were
Third
doing.
exercise.
Okay. Tell me the page number.
Ma'am, 89. Ma'am, and you have told to write questions answer also, ma'am, in notebook.
Right. So have you written these question answers in your copies?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. What is the answer to the first question? Pranjal and Alind. Yes. Please put your cameras on.
Ma'am, Ilya a duz moa da yun ane.
Very nice. Bhavya, speak out the same line.
Ma'am, Ilyala. I mean,
Ilya,
Ilya
Ilya.
Mod
It's okay. Wait.
Ane.
Everybody, wait. It is called Ilya. That's it. What is it? Ilya. Speak it out.
Ilya.
Yeah.
Yes, Ilya. Now speak the whole line. Ilya.
Ilya doit Modon en Ane.
Ilya. 12 mois. Repeat, beta.
Ilya doit
12 mois.
12 mois
Dans une
dans une année.
année. Okay? Il y a 12 mois dans une année. Okay. What is the answer of the next one? Alind Tandon. Beta, unmute yourself. Quels sont les mois de l'année?
Les mois de l'année sont.
Very nice. And les mois de l'année sont?
Ma'am, yeah. Les mois de l'année sont. 1 second. January,
Okay.
February, March.
And till December. You have to speak
Yes.
all the months. Okay? Les mois de l'année sont. Then, quels mois sommes-nous?
Ma'am, nous sommes au mois
Ma'am,
de
nous sommes
novembre.
au mois de
Excuse me,
novembre.
ma'am.
All right. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. I didn't understood this question. Third one.
Which one?
Ma'am, third one.
Quel mois sommes-nous? Which means, the question means, what is the month? Or which month are we in? So what is the month
Okay.
going on?
December.
December.
November. I mean
All right.
December.
When I gave you this homework, that was November. But now when we are
Yes,
talking
ma'am.
today, it's December.
Ma'am, so it will be nous sommes au mois de novembre.
Yes.
It
Nous
is
sommes,
the month of November.
nous sommes au mois de novembre. Don't say, beta, don't say nous sommes. Okay, it's nous sommes. Nous sommes au mois de novembre. Fine. Then the next one. Okay. This third exercise. Have you done it? The third exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others? Pranjal and Aditya Mishra, please put your cameras on.
I'm opening.
If you have not done it, please do it right now. Did we do in the last class? Did we do this exercise? No. So do it right now. You have to do exercise number 3 right now. It's a very easy exercise. Aditya Mishra and Pranjal, I'm still waiting. Beta, open page number 89 of your book and start doing exercise number 3. Done, everyone? Aditya Mishra, are you doing this exercise or you've already done it?
No, ma'am, I'm doing.
You are not doing. I can see you're not doing.
What we have to do as a join late because of network issue.
Lakshay Kumar, first of all, you are supposed to open your camera. Open it, then I'll tell you what you have to do.
But Mama, I can't open my camera. Ma'am. If I open, ma'am, the voice come like someone is playing guitar.
All right, very nice explanation. Okay, so beta, you have to do exercise number 3 on page number 89.
Okay, ma'am.
Who is Pranjal Gupta? I don't even remember his face. Pranjal, I've been telling you from the beginning of the class that open your camera and you're not doing so. Now you're forcing me to remove you from the class.
Ma'am, page number 89.
Yes, page number 89. Pranjal, if you're trying to speak something, then you're muted. Please unmute yourself and then try. At least Lakshay has an explanation to give. He is responsive in class. This is not how you are supposed to sit in an online class. Aditya, have you done? Aditya Kumar? Yes, good.
Yes, ma'am. What is caravate? CRAVATE.
Cravat is a tie, necktie.
I mean, the first one we have to write today's date and the month of now. Or ma'am,
Yes,
something
you're
else.
whenever you're doing this exercise, you are talking about the current time.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is kete?
Hmm?
Ma'am,
What is
here it is written CETTE.
set? Okay, set means this. This. Suppose we are talking about something feminine. So the sentence is set ane. Ane is what? Ear. Ear is a feminine thing. So we put set. But if we are talking about something masculine, like this pen, I want to say this pen is blue. Then the spelling is stilo. CE. Fine. And suppose if I want to say these pens are blue, say stilo. CES. These.
Ma'am, and in feminine, it will be sets.
CETTE. For masculine, it is CE, and for plural, it is CES. Both masculine and feminine. Both. Got it? No. Aditya looks like it's a little confusing. Did you get it clearly or not? Suppose, beta, see, I want to say this pen.
Ma'am, that is, ma'am, this I got, ma'am, that it is, ma'am, it is masculine, so it will get CE. Ma'am, and
It is
it is in
masculine, it
plural, so
is
it will,
CE.
yes.
If it is feminine, it is CETTE. And if it is plural, feminine or masculine both. Okay, if it is plural, these pens, so it becomes CES. Say stilo. Okay, these
Yes, ma'am.
girls, CES fee. These girls, say fee. Like that. Lakshay, Alind, Aditya Mishra are done it.
Ma'am, I didn't understood sixth one.
The sixth one. Okay. La Ramada a on dash set aane. The Ramzan is in dash this year. So anybody?
Ma'am, Jua. Ma'am, Jua.
Okay, it was in May. Because in other class, the class was going on with Muhammad Uzair, so we asked him. We also didn't know, so he said, ma'am, it's May.
Ma'am, I am only last one.
All right.
Ma'am, it was on 12 May,
12th
on
May. Okay.
Wednesday. Ma'am, tie is masculine.
Yes, yun kravat. It's masculine. But Aditya, where have you seen this tie word? I can't see it anywhere.
Ma'am, in fourth exercise, fifth one.
Okay, okay. Now, beta, Aditya, you are asking me, ma'am, kravat is feminine. So, what is written before kravat? What is the word given
Ma'am,
before?
I have asked, ma'am, it is masculine.
No, okay. Whatever you are asking, but why are you asking? My question is this, because it is clearly mentioned before kravat. What word is given?
Ma,
Ma. So ma
my.
stands, ma means my. And ma comes before what? Ma comes before feminine things like meri tie. Okay? So that is obvious that tie is feminine. Okay, tell me if it would be masculine, Aditya. If tie would be masculine, what would have been written
Ma'am,
instead of
may, M-E.
no, no, no. M-O-N, more. Before masculine things, we put
Yes, ma'am.
more.
Ma'am,
Yes.
mon.
Yes.
Ma'am, and me is moi,
Moi.
M-O-I,
Moi.
moa. And may is in plural, my.
Yes. Now, if I'm talking about my ties, so me kravat with ending in S. Meri
Yes.
ties. All right. Now done, children. How much time do you need? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So read out the first one, Alind. Read out the first sentence.
Aujourd'hui, c'est samedi. Nous sommes au mois de décembre.
All right. Aujourd'hui, c'est samedi. Nous sommes au mois de décembre. Next, Bhavya.
Mam, dimanche es la dernière jour de la semaine.
Dimanche. Okay, now Bhavya, don't mute yourself. You have to repeat after me. Dimanche
Dimanche
est le
est la
dernier jour
dernier jour
de la semaine.
de la semaine.
Dimanche est le dernier jour de la semaine.
Dimanche
Dimanche.
de la semaine.
Okay. Dimanche est le dernier jour de la semaine. All right. Then third one, Aditya Kumar.
L'anniversaire da mon père est au mois de mai.
L'anniversaire. Repeat.
L'anniversaire
De mon père.
de mon père
Et au mois de.
et mois de
Et au
et au mois de
mai.
mai.
Okay. Then Lakshay Kumar. The fourth one. Lakshay, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Read out the fourth one, beta.
Et la première jour de semaine.
Hmm.
And I have
Dash.
to tell answer also.
Of course.
Ma'am, Lundi.
It's lundi. Lundi est le premier jour
Lundi est le premier jour
de la semaine.
de la semaine.
Then, whose turn next? Bhavya. Fifth one.
Ma'am, janvier est la première mois de l'année.
Janvier est le premier mois de l'année. Then, next, Alin Tandon.
Yes, ma'am.
Sixth one.
Le Ramadan est en mai cette année.
Le Ramadan est en mai cette année. Then the seventh one, Aditya. Whose turn? Aditya, no?
Yes, ma'am.
L'anniversaire
de ma mère est au mois de juin.
L'anniversaire de ma mère
L'anniversaire de ma mère
est au. Beta,
est
EST. Okay, listen, Bhavya and Aditya both. Whenever you read, you people make this mistake. EST is not est. It's A. S is also silent. T is also silent. It's A. Then AU is O. So, l'anniversaire de ma mère est au
mois de juin.
Juin. Now, June is
Ma'am,
Juin.
June. Ma'am, July. Ma'am, Shelvan.
It's in July.
Yes, ma'am.
Juillet.
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 Yes, juillet. L'anniversaire de ma mère est au mois de juillet. Then, eighth one, Lakshay.
Je suis à la maison
Je suis à la maison le. When are you at home, Lakshay? Except for the lockdown. When are you at home generally?
Ma'am, every day.
Why every day don't you go to school?
मैम उसके बाद तो घर पे आता हूँ.
हाँ, but in your usual life, je suis à la
On
maison.
Sunday.
Yes. So what is Sunday in French?
Ma'am, dimanche.
Dimanche. Je suis à la maison le dimanche. Okay?
Je suis à la maison le dimanche.
Le dimanche. That means I'm at home on Sundays.
Okay, ma'am.
Then, next whose turn? Bhavya's turn again.
Ma'am, they sont à la dernière mois de l'année.
Décembre est le dernier mois de l'année. Then, the next. Aditya Kumar or Alind? Whose turn? Alind. Alind, it's your turn.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 10th one.
The 10th one.
Diwali est en novembre.
Diwali est en novembre. Diwali is in November. All right. So with this one, now the next one. Complete with the verbs given. So this is again a very easy exercise. The first one, nous dash une belle maison. We
Nous avons.
dash,
Avons. Nous
yes,
avons.
Avant.
nous avons une belle maison. What is the translation, Bhavya, of this sentence? Translation in English?
Ma'am, we are. They are.
Aditya, can you tell the translation?
Ma'am, we have beautiful house.
Yes, we have a beautiful house. Then the next one.
Ma'am,
What is-
tu parles français?
Ma'am, tu parles français.
What is the spelling of parle in this blank?
Ma'am, PARLE.
ARLES.
PARLES.
LES. So we say tu parles français. Tu parles français. What does that mean?
You
You speak French.
speak French.
You speak French.
You
Then the third one.
speak French.
The third one.
Vous êtes américain.
Who's it? American.
What is the translation?
They are American.
Are
Yes,
you
ma'am,
American?
they are American. They are
They are.
American.
They are.
Are they American? Because there is question mark.
Wrong. Again wrong. Who can tell it right? What is vous? Children, what is vous?
Ma'am, you are American.
Yes.
You are American.
You are American or are you American? Like that. Then the next one.
Je veux à
Je vais à
l'école.
l'école.
What is the spelling of va according to you?
I go to school.
VAIS.
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 VAIS is va?
Je
Yes,
vais
ma'am.
à l'école.
Yes. Good, Lakshay.
Way.
It's je vais à l'école.
I go to the school.
I go to the school. Then the next one. Who is going to tell the next one? Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma
crave.
crave et marron.
Okay, ma crave. What makes you say crave? Tell me this.
Tie.
Ma'am,
Tie.
tie.
No, tie is okay, but according to the spellings, crave.
My tie.
I'm saying, why did you say ma crave? Why ma crave?
Because it's feminine.
So you will say it crave. These spellings, do they anywhere mean that they have it has to be called crave? What is the correct pronunciation?
Crave. Crave.
Crave.
What is a sound in French? Wherever we have this a, what is the sound? Ah. Ah.
Cravat.
Yes. Cravat is the
Ma
correct
cravat.
Cravat.
pronunciation.
Sans marron.
Ma cravat song. Aditya?
Ma cravat a marron.
My tie, we are talking about one tie. So my tie are brown or my tie is brown.
Is.
Ma'am, is.
Is
EST
brown.
will come.
Is.
Is.
So what will be the answer?
Ma
EST.
crave a marron.
Yes.
Again, Alind. Again, crave. Ma cravat. A.
Ma
Ma
cravat.
cravat
A
a marron.
Yes.
A marron.
Very nice. Now the next one. Jacques et Anne dash à la campagne.
Vont à la campagne. Vont à la campagne.
Very nice. Then the next one. Il dash le gâteau.
Ils aiment le gâteau.
Amen.
Is amen love. So,
Amen.
All right. The spelling is
AIMENT.
But beta, the pronunciation again is ilzam. It will be ilzam legato.
Ilzam lagato.
What does this line mean?
They like the
Ma'am,
cake.
they like cheese.
They like cheese.
Ma'am, they like gift.
Gift. Okay, we have now three things. Gift, cheese, and the other one was, third one was? Lakshay, you said
Cake.
something. Cake. Okay. So who said cake? Who said?
Lakshay.
Lakshay. Yes. So Lakshay is correct. Because gato is cake. And Bhavya, kado is gift. Kado is gift. And what did you say, Aditya? Cheese. Cheese is fromage. Okay, the next one. L dash a la piscine.
Ma'am, wo
Elle va à la piscine.
And what does it mean?
Ma'am, she goes to the picnic.
ma'am, she go to the
She
swimming
goes
pool.
to swimming pool. She go to the swimming pool.
Swimming.
All
Swimming
right.
Swimming pool.
She goes to the swimming pool. Picnic in French is picnic only. Okay. Then next. Il dash anglais et français.
Il parle anglais
Ma'am,
et
parle.
français.
Il parle anglais et français.
Français. What is the spelling of parle?
P-A-R-L-E.
PARLE.
Il parle anglais et français. Then the last one. Elle dash une voiture rouge.
Elle
Elle
on.
ont une voiture
On.
rouge.
Elle
On.
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 Okay.
On.
What does this sentence mean? Tell. Oh, Aditya, you are muted if you are speaking something.
Ma'am, I am trying.
Okay. What is the translation, children? It is not very tough.
Ma'am, I don't know the meaning of une voiture.
Why? Why don't you know the meaning of une voiture? Une voiture.
Ma'am,
Okay.
they have a red car.
Yes. They have a red car. Voiture is car. Okay. Now, the next one, conjugate these verbs in the present tense in your notebook. So, do as they say. Start doing. You
Ma'am,
have to
done.
do all these verbs. Have you done?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am,
ma'am.
we have done once.
Once. Okay, you've done. Then, all of you have done better, or somebody is, if there is anybody who has not done, then let me know.
Ma'am, we have done once.
Okay. Then next one, décrivez votre famille. Now you have to describe your family. How are you going to describe your family? Tell me that. How are you going to begin? Tell me in English only. I'm not asking in French. Tell me how are you going to
Ma'am,
write it?
there are 4 members in my family.
There
Yes.
are 7 members in my family.
Okay. We can start off with telling that there are these many people in my family. Then the next would be you can give a
We
little
will describe from the
description.
biggest to smallest.
Yes. So suppose
Ma'am,
if
like
you are
first, ma'am, grandfather.
all right. Okay. Then
Ma'am, first father, then mother, then brother, and then us.
yes, right. In the end, you, and before you, your siblings, and before your siblings, your parents. And if you're living with your grandparents, then first of all, you have to introduce themselves. So how are you going
Yes,
to
ma'am.
write about your father? If suppose you're writing about your father, what would your line be?
Ma'am, his job, ma'am, and his age.
Yes, you can tell his profession, you can tell his
Ma'am,
age.
describe that.
What he
It's ma'am,
likes or
describe him.
dislikes.
Yes?
Ma'am, describe
Ma'am,
him.
what
He's
he likes or
tall. He's
dislikes.
handsome.
Likes and
No,
dislikes.
no, no. Likes and dislikes, it is going to go one page long. You don't have to say this much.
Ma'am, describe them that he's tall, handsome,
Okay.
intelligent.
See, first of all, you're going to write his name. Write every person's name. Like my mother calls herself or my father calls himself, so and so. He is a dash, telling his profession, and he is this age. And then you can add on he's sympathetic, he's bronze, he's this, he's that, whatever. Okay? So
Ma'am,
this
we
is how,
can start like
yes,
Ma
you,
per sapel.
sorry?
Ma'am, we can start like Ma per sapel.
Okay, no, yes, about the description of that person, you're going to start. But how you're going to start this passage or this paragraph, that there are dash people in my family. There are dash
Okay.
members in my family. So everybody start writing. And children, I can figure it out really well that when you've taken help of Google Translator and when you've done it on your own. So don't use Google Translator. Start doing it.
Okay, ma'am. To write in French.
Lakshay, what should my answer be?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, you guessed it right.